Okay, now we're going to do ketchup. First, you're going to get 2 cans of tomato paste. If you have trouble getting the stuff out, just give it a little roll around with a butter knife around the edges, because this stuff is like glue. But believe me, it is worth it. Yeah. You want a 1/2 cup of white vinegar. If you want to use other vinegars, go right on ahead. I think I probably have about 6 varieties myself. Now, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar is about all the sweet you need. Unless I'm baking. Yeah, measuring is kind of a relative thing. It all turns out good. And let's see, you need a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of onion powder. Don't use garlic or onion salt. You don't want all that extra salt in there. You want to be able to control the amount of salt. 1 teaspoon of salt. Again, I like to use pink. A 1/4 teaspoon of allspice. Something you must have for a Caribbean jerk seasoning. 2 teaspoons or so of molasses. Okay. Turn it on. And you want to simmer it on low. Add 2 1/2 cups of water. Just start very slowly at first until you can get all of the tomato paste incorporated. The more it heats up, the more it'll mix in. And you're going to want to have a rag handy, because as you mix this and as it cooks, it's going to splatter all over your stove. Now, I have this one that's been cooking ahead, and as you can see, it's nice and thick. You want to mix in all of that stuff on the top there, which is a whole lot of flavor. Get yourself a jar. I pay less than $1 for these things. It's worth having. Very carefully pour your ketchup into the jar. You have to give it a little bit of a shake because it's thick stuff. But you get the idea. It's a little messy, but that's okay. This stuff will last you a couple of weeks. You'll only have to deal with it once in a while. And believe me, you'll be much happier having a homemade ketchup. And there you go.